Uh-oh. I know that noise. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Claire and Regs, and did you know there's such thing as National Hairball Awareness Day? There is. It is on April the 28th, so we've just missed it, but I'm here today to talk to you about everything hairballs. First of all, what are hairballs? Hairballs are so much more than the little sausage-shaped package your cat leaves on the carpet for you. Your cat's tongue is the perfect for grooming. It has its little backwards barbs, so it's basically like they have a comb in their mouth. When your cat grooms, they ingest the fur and it forms into a little ball in your cat's gut. Now, usually this will get passed through their toilet habits, but sometimes your cat can't pass it that way, so it has to come out the other end. Hairballs are completely normal for your cat, and it just goes in paw in being something that is covered in fur. Now obviously cats like Sphinxes or Cornish Rex don't experience hairballs as they do not shed as much, but most cats do, especially long-haired ones. Now hairballs, what is normal? Now as cats are covered in fur, hairballs are completely normal, but a normal and healthy cat should not experience hairballs on the regular. It is normal for your cat to maybe have a hairball once or twice in an entire year, even for long-haired cats. So if your cat is experiencing hairballs, retching or vomiting on a regular basis, it's a good idea to take your cat to the vets. They might be over grooming and thus getting more hair in their gut, which might mean they are allergic to something, or they may have something up with their skin. How to tell when a hairball is a problem? Now if you have a cat who has had hairballs in the past, you are all too familiar with that noise. It strikes fear into the best of us and makes a cold shiver run down my spine. But if your cat is experiencing these symptoms such as eating grass, retching and doing the hairball noise, but there is no evidence of a hairball, it might mean that your cat has a blockage in their system. This might be something to do with their digestive system, or it might be the hairball that is in your cat's gut. If your cat is also constipated, it might mean that there is a hairball in their intestines that can't be shifted. The best thing to do is to take your cat to the vet so that they can prescribe them anything that can help them get unclogged. Now the best and easiest way to help your cat with hairballs is to groom them regularly, especially if they are long-haired cats. If there is less loose hair on your cat's body, then they will swallow less and less likely to form a hairball in their gut. Making sure your cat has a high fibre diet is also a good way to help your cat pass hairballs through the other way. And here are a couple of juicy facts about hairballs. Maybe I shouldn't use the word juicy. If your cat is prone to hairballs, it is more likely that these will happen in the spring, once your cat is shedding their winter coat and making way for their summer coat. Is that right? The biggest hairball on record was from a British cat called Gemma, and it was 5 inches wide. Yeesh. Thanks for watching guys, I hope that you found this video useful and interesting, and if you've got any additional tips or fun facts about hairballs, please leave them in the comment section below. Ragsy and I love reading your comments. Now, speaking of comments, it is time to announce the winner of the t-shirt competition. Each week I pick a comment from one of the members of our notification squad. So that means someone who has commented in the first 60 minutes of the video going up. So let's see who wins this week. Congratulations to Ms. Pet565. I'm sorry if I've said that wrong, but you have won a Relax My Cat t-shirt. She says, I use pill pocket treats for my baby girl. She thinks she's eating a treat, but she's really getting her daily meds. No fuss at all. Win-win for her and me. What a great tip. Pill pockets are a great idea. Congratulations, you have won yourself a Relax My Cat t-shirt. Just send us an email at relaxmycat@gmail.com with your size and address, and Ragsy and I will send you a Relax My Cat t-shirt. Congratulations again. Now don't worry if you didn't win, here are the rules to win a Relax My Cat t-shirt by becoming a member of the notification squad. All you need to do is make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and you have hit the little bell button for notifications. So you get a notification every time one of our vlogs comes out. One of the people to comment in the first 60 minutes of the video going up is in with a chance of winning a Relax My Cat t-shirt. Good luck everybody. Thanks again for watching guys. Ragsy and I love having you here. We will see you in our next video. Bye.